on this bitch. Believe that. Look. Riding round, smoking pounds, yeah, you know we hold it down. She gon' suck to make me proud, and I'm gon' fuck and pass around. And we high, you know it's loud, light is up and ashes down. Act a clown, you get put down and probably get smoked like a slip. Grab that Glock and pop this, now that little boy do not exist. Niggas talking rah-rah shit, we smash them boys and then we dip. Keep it on my fucking lap, cause Marlo told me fuck a hip. All we know is extended clips, you pussy boys don't want that dick. But I bet your bitch gon' take that trip from the 9 to the east to take that dick. Niggas tweaking for that clip, but I'm just tweaking for a lick. And my bitch just hit me up and told me her boo got some sticks. Know what that mean? Me and my team gon' run through and take all this shit. Riding down your fucking strip, that copper metal, meet them bricks. Your niggas duck, your niggas dip, my niggas bust, my niggas hit. Know you dying, so now you crying, but ain't nobody to wipe through tears. Should've thought about that shit when your bitch ass was talking shit. Yeah, you know I got them dogs and my little dogs some fucking pits. I told Sal we need this guap, so fuck them hoes, they ain't about shit. Hey, your niggas crazy, my niggas crazy. And Bubba got that fucking chopper, he gon' make a statement. Your niggas fucking pussy, yeah, you know we chasing. I keep them niggas shaking like a nigga taser. You niggas rookies, you niggas rookies. They pop shooting, man, you niggas rookies. Yeah. Believe that.